everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use PayPal for accepting private payments. As a childcare provider, offering convenient and secure payment options is crucial for maintaining smooth operations, and PayPal is a great option for doing so. Having PayPal as a childcare business owner provides flexibility and convenience for parents, and PayPal offers a professional platform suitable for larger transactions, recurring payments, and detailed invoicing. By the end of this video, you'll understand the benefits of using this platform and how they can enhance your payment processing. In this video, we'll cover how to set up a PayPal account, how to accept private payments, payment options and functions, other useful features, and how these tools can help you as a childcare business owner. Let's start by setting up a PayPal account. Go to paypal.com in your web browser and then click on Sign Up. Choose the Business Account option to access more features suitable for your childcare business. Ensure that you set up a business profile, as PayPal does not allow business transactions to occur on a personal account. If you set up and use a personal account for your business, you run the risk of your account being flagged and funds frozen. Follow the prompts to enter your business information, link your bank account, and verify your email address. Make sure that you fully set up your account on PayPal, or else you will not have access to all the features. Once your account is fully set up, you can access your PayPal dashboard, where you can manage transactions, send invoices, and track payments. To accept private payments on PayPal, click on Request Money. Here, enter the payer's email address and then choose Next. Here, enter the amount and then a note specifying the payment details. Then click Request. Once sent, PayPal will notify you when the payment is received. This method is best for smaller, non-formal payments like a one-time field trip fee or a late pickup fee. With PayPal, you can also generate and send invoices directly from your PayPal dashboard, which is particularly useful for recurring payments like monthly tuition fees. Invoiced payments are more formal, contain more detailed information about the services provided, can be customized with your business's name and logo, and makes tracking these payments simpler. To invoice a client, click on the Invoicing button. After clicking on the Invoice button, enter the name or email of who you're billing, what they're paying for, notes, and attach any necessary files. You can also include your own terms and conditions, reference number, and a memo to yourself. After you've entered all the necessary details and contact information of the person you're sending the invoice to, click on Send. PayPal offers various payment options, including direct bank transfers, credit and debit card payments, and PayPal balance transfers. You can set up recurring payments for regular clients, create detailed invoices, and offer partial payments if needed. PayPal also provides transaction reports found under Activity and the Reports section to help you keep track of your income and expenses. PayPal also has some other features that can further streamline your payment processing. PayPal has a business debit card. This card allows you to access your PayPal balance instantly before you transfer it to your bank account. You can use it anywhere MasterCard is accepted. You can also earn cash back on eligible purchases. This card can be useful for covering expenses related to your childcare business. You can request a debit card through your account. Go to the Finance section in the main menu and select PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. From here, you can request a debit card where you'll be asked to complete and submit an application. Upon approval, you'll receive your new card in the mail. If you have employees who help manage your business, you can grant them access to your PayPal account with different permission levels. This allows them to handle transactions and invoicing without giving them full control over the account. You can do this by going to your account settings. Click on your profile icon in the right corner, and then go to Account Settings. Under Account Access, go to Manage Users, and then select Update. From here, you can manage users who have access to your account and add users by clicking the Add User button, and fill out the information of the user you're adding. Select the appropriate permissions for the employee. You can allow employees to send money, request money, and refund transactions, among other things. You can also choose to limit your employee to only one of these functions. When you finish, be sure to save. Your employee will then receive an email with instructions on activating and accessing the business account. Imagine you're managing monthly tuition payments. With PayPal, you can automate invoices to be sent at the start of each month and set up a custom automatic reminder for unpaid invoices. You can also add your late payment fee policy to the invoice, ensuring that your clients are aware of payment deadlines and potential fees that come with late payments. This ensures timely payments and reduces administrative work, freeing up the time you would usually spend sending these out manually. By using PayPal's detailed transaction reports and integration with accounting software, you can easily keep track of your income and expenses, making financial management much more efficient. PayPal is a powerful tool for managing payments in your childcare business. It offers secure, convenient, and flexible payment options that can streamline your financial operations and improve family satisfaction. Give it a try and see how it can simplify your payment processes.